Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup After Effects project files with version history step by step clearly. Open your After Effects project. Go to the File menu in the top left corner. Select Save As from the drop-down. Choose Save a Copy As to create a duplicate. Name your project in the dialog box. Include a version number in the file name, is helpful for tracking history. Choose a location for the backup file on your computer. Click Save to create the backup copy. Next, go to the File menu again. Select Increment and Save to create a new version of your project. This ensures your current work is stored as a new file. Use descriptive version names to differentiate between iterations. Consider using date stamps in your file names for further clarity. Every time you reach a significant milestone, repeat the backup process. Keep a dedicated folder for all your version project files. Organizing backups in a single folder helps you track changes easily. Use cloud storage solutions for additional redundancy. Services like Google Drive or Dropbox can offer easy access and sharing. Sync your project files periodically to ensure the regular backups will help you avoid data loss due to unexpected issues. Establish a routine for backing up your files, such as daily or weekly. Always double-check that your backups are complete and accessible. This practice will protect your hard work and save time in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.